Nice to have you back, Libra. On Monday, if you are torn between two people, you may be similarly discomforted. It may be important that you find sanctuary with someone who is most definitely not a potential romantic partner but who is prepared to listen and talk through options. Career and financial rewards this year will only represent your work ethic. It's a busy but lucrative time, especially when you're inspired and motivated to be successful. On Tuesday, the hopeful Mercury-Pluto square also over the week gives you a glimpse of how things could be once you reach your ultimate romantic destination, but you're having a hard time figuring out how to get there. Taking other people's advice can be a hit or miss. Try to change your appearance, change your hairstyle or how you dress. These changes will bring new nuances to your loved one. The emergence of an influential person can protect you and it will pave the way to success. Emotion prevents you to conform to the needs of people around you. On Wednesday, make some unbreakable plans for later in the week. If you're single, go for it. Chat with that cutie whose online profile you like. If you're half of a couple, make a plan for a romantic night at home. Even if it's leftovers, you can still dress up, light candles, and play some mellow tunes. Midweek's focus is both on the home and on a difference of opinion. Don't try to make a big purchase together. On Thursday, something has you distracted and apt to cause an unrelated argument with your partner. Be mindful of their feelings and stay calm. Try to keep things light, fun, and upbeat for the next few days. The astral alignment encourages you to slow down and appreciate what you have. This is a great time for any kind of travel. Prepare for unpleasant news that are related to problems in life of a good friend. On Friday, a little analysis brings fascinating insights. Whatever you decide to do, you could find that your plans get shifted and changed about. Especially if you have decided to do something out of the ordinary, do not show selfishness. There are a lot of things on your love life priority list, but you're content to go slowly and cross them off one by one. On Saturday, healing Pluto goes retrograde over the weekend, providing the opportunity to get some closure on a past relationship. Opening up old wounds might be necessary to mend your broken heart completely. The hopeful Mercury-Pluto square also over the weekend gives you a glimpse of how things could be once you reach your ultimate romantic destination. But you're having a hard time figuring out how to get there. Taking other people's advice can be a hit or a miss. On Sunday, trust issues are sure to be triggered, and if you're dating someone new, you're likely to project all sorts of unsavory expectations about his or her behavior. It's a good time to stop and consider what is really behind all these negative expectations. Maybe it's just you who is cheating yourself. Mixing your love life and work life could end up creating trouble for both today, although there are stealthy ways to handle such entanglements. When you form an attraction to someone you work with, it tends to be distracting at best and disastrous at worst. It's important to trust your intuition before changing the nature of your relationship. It's not impossible to go from professional and platonic to romantic and passionate, but it's tricky like crossing a rushing river.
How are you doing, Libra? On Monday, you will be enjoying some financial breakthroughs this month. This stroke of good luck will continue all throughout the month. It's just a persecution of all the good things that you are sure to make their way to you. Sun can give you unexpected tax issues, so manage all your financial accounts and transactions properly. Health of father needs attention, and otherwise expenses on the same time are likely to happen as per finance and wealth predictions. On Tuesday, Jupiter will govern your house on the 11th house of gain. Jupiter will bless you with gains and thus your finances will improve. Friends would be helpful in financial matters related to business. Jupiter will also aspect the 7th house of business. This aspect is likely to increase your spending. Okay, and on Wednesday, news about financial gain may make you and your loved ones happy. This is a sense that things are positively running and turning around for you. You are pleasingly presentable. Go out and meet new people. New opportunities will sprout from your associations and which will prove beneficial in the long run. You may bring a change in your house either structurally or family-wise. And by the end of the week on Thursday, you are a bit different now as fun and romance are on your mind. Contrary to your thoughts of work hovering around you as always, now you want a change. But it is okay, take a day off from your work and enjoy your day. Do not worry much since you know it well when you have to draw the line. Management at the workplace is pretty impressed with your work and you may get a promotion. And on Friday, don't plant any seeds at this time. Instead, you should wait until everything is more in your favor. In the meanwhile, gather information so it is at your disposal. When the time is right, you get your hands in the soil and create something new. Things are going well for you, so why shouldn't they be? Don't take your good fortune for granted now, but instead you should continue to build on it. You have worked to get this far all your life by burning the midnight oil, and now it's time to reap the rewards. And moving on to Saturday, it's a time when you may hone your skills. You may get new advice from somebody. With your own capabilities, you will be able to handle meetings very well. You may get inspired to launch a new and ambitious project. You will be pleased the way you carry out your responsibilities. You work long hours and are utterly absorbed, even if it distracts you from your personal life. And finally, last day, Sunday, the moon returns for what should be its only visit to your work sector for the year, while Venus is here. While this is the moon's first encounter with any planet here this year, and this will bring the first real sense that things are moving, this is just the first of 4 encounters. This gives you time to savor the inside, and this will give you a chance to access the next few days in a happy manner.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.